Our philosophy is really to fight for the underdog.
To right the wrongs that occur in our society every day.
The philosophy of our firm is very simple. That's to win.
Our job is to fight the fight for our clients.
We're here to help people who have been wronged.
When clients knock on our door, something horrendous has happened to them or someone in their family. They're scared. They have no one to turn to.
They think that going to a lawyer, they're going to have to pay a huge amount of money to be able to fight an insurance company or fight a big corporation.
If you can't hire a lawyer at $400 an hour, if you can't front the $100,000 or $200,000 it costs to put your case through trial, then you're not going to win. You don't have a chance. That's when a firm like Owen Patterson Owen can help you. If you're represented by a skilled, well-known law firm, it's a completely different situation. If you go to a firm that has won trials, that has hit them hard, that has made them pay millions of dollars, they'll respect your lawyer and they'll respect you.
Our firm doesn't require that our clients pay a single cent until we win on their behalf.
We relieve them of the burden of advancing any costs and paying for filing fees or litigation costs, discovery, expert witnesses, reconstruction experts, all those things that are expensive in litigating or pursuing a personal injury claim.
If we don't recover for our clients, they won't have to pay for a cent of that. That's something that we do for our clients. What is so interesting that people don't realize, they'll have the image of the ambulance chaser or the greedy lawyers. What really is going on is you have these greedy companies who want to make money, yet they don't want to spend it.
The reason they pay you money, the only reason they pay you money, is because they are scared of the law firm that represents you. They realize that if they don't settle your case, that lawyer is going to take it to trial, and that lawyer will obtain a verdict far in excess of what they could have settled the case for.
We prepare each and every case as if it were going to trial. If they know and they believe that we're ready and we're able to go to trial, then they will be reasonable and more serious in their settlement negotiations.
When we go to trial, we have always beat the offer that the insurance company has given us. It takes a certain type of lawyer to do what we do, to represent victims, to represent people who have been injured, and people who have been taken advantage of.
When I first went to law school, I was thinking that I was going to be in Washington and it was going to be all about injustice for all, that I was going to change the laws in the world and make everything fair. Well, the reality is it's not fair. And what we do now, it really is about injustice for all.
It takes a lawyer with heart. It takes a lawyer who isn't paid by the hour and gets a guaranteed check every week.
It's rewarding to know that when people have been devastated through a loss of a loved one, or when their lives have been turned upside down because of injuries that prevent them from working, or when they cannot engage in their daily activities, or when they cannot be a father, they cannot lift their child, they cannot play, they cannot run, they can't think the way they used to, that we can help them improve their life.
And I can tell you that the lawyers we have at this law firm, the lawyers that I work shoulder to shoulder with, if they were offered twice the money to go to work for a defense firm where they would have to defend an insurance company or a corporation, our lawyers wouldn't do it, because to them it would be immoral. When a corporation puts a bad drug on the market to make $1 billion, knowing that it will kill hundreds of people, how can you defend them? What sort of person would actually go in front of a jury and justify what they did? Well, the fact of the matter is, some lawyers do that. And it takes people like us, people at this law firm, to challenge them, to go to trial, to convince juries that what they did was wrong. And the people that they injured and the families that lost a loved one deserve justice.
It's not possible to make everyone whole, but we can sure help them adjust and to benefit as much as possible through the system that the law provides.
What we are doing is evening up the playing field and making it so people who are injured can get what they need, and it's not all about power on the other side.